I'm Luca Bosurgi. Over the past 3 decades, I've dedicated my life to helping individuals overcome emotional challenges and achieve self-mastery. Through my work as a life coach and mind researcher, I've developed the mind fitness method and CognitiveOS hypnosis to empower people to live free, focused, and fulfilled lives. Throughout my journey, I've witnessed countless individuals struggle with anxiety, self-doubt, and emotional dependency. These challenges often stem from deep-rooted patterns formed in our subconscious minds. Recognizing this, I created the Captain You course, a 50-day transformative program designed to guide people toward emotional independence and self-leadership. The day people embrace and teach emotional self-reliance to their children will mark a shift in the world, transforming relationships from mere emotional exchanges to unconditional love, helping individuals master their thoughts and emotions, and heralding a completely new era in society. This is my team's and my mission, and that's why I'm asking you to help make this a reality with your kind and generous donation. What is Captain You? Captain You is more than just a course. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Over 50 days, students engage in daily video lessons and cognitive-guided meditations, each meticulously crafted to help students understand and reprogram subconscious patterns, identify the root causes of their emotional challenges, and learn how to transform them. Build emotional independence. Develop the tools to navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and clarity without emotionally relying on others. Achieve self-mastery. Take control of their thoughts, emotions, and actions to lead a more purposeful life. This course is the culmination of my life's work, integrating insights from over 60,000 real-life sessions. It's designed to be accessible, practical, and profoundly impactful. Why will Captain help make the world a better place? In our fast-paced world, many feel like passengers in their own lives, influenced by external forces and inner fears. Captain You aims to empower students to take control, steering their lives with purpose and confidence. To raise awareness of this course, we need sufficient funding for a progressive global marketing campaign. Your generous contribution will help bring this vision to life and support many individuals. God bless you and thank you.